Hello children, welcome to I Love Science. Today we have a high voltage fun science experiment for you, and because it is high voltage it can be a little dangerous, so we have to be very careful. What you can see here is I have two empty Coke cans and they are connected with a high voltage source, right? And how do we get high voltage source easily? Now this is, you can see here, is a simple mosquito racket that everybody uses at home. You must have seen that when you use this racket, it can produce a big spark when a mosquito touches in between, because 2 or 3 layers of wire meshes inside this mosquito racket have very high voltage, and when the mosquito comes in contact, it gets burnt with a spark. The high voltage coming from the racket is connected to these two Coke cans, right? And in between we have a small ball of aluminum foil hanging from a thread, right? Now let's see, if I switch on the high voltage, then what happens? Did you see? The little ball of aluminum foil keeps hitting both the cans alternatively. It works like a bell, right? This instrument is called a Franklin's bell, and it works on the concept of high voltage static electricity, where if one can has a positive voltage and the other has a negative voltage, then the ball initially gets attracted to whichever can it is nearer to, and gets that same charge. So for example, if this one is positive, it comes here, takes positive charge and gets positively charged, and then gets repelled because ball and the can have the same charge. Then it gets repelled, goes to negative, and then gives the little positive charge it had and gets the negative charge because that is the negative charged can, and that is how it keeps oscillating between the two. It's a very simple experiment, and initially it was done on the static electricity, but now because we want to generate high voltage DC, we are using this mosquito racket, right? Do you want to know how much voltage we are using for this? Let's check that out. So we have connected a voltmeter from the 2 wire meshes in the mosquito racket. Let me switch it on, and then you will see here how much voltage is it. Let's see, 1, 2, 3. Can you see? It is about 810, 820, around that much volts of electricity which is generated between these 2 wire mesh. Okay, so this is a very high voltage, and that is why a mosquito which comes in contact between these 2 wire meshes, the mosquito gets killed with a spark. And we have to be really careful when the switch of the mosquito racket is on, because both the cans are at this time at 800 volts. And do you want to see how does it look? Let's see. If I switch it on, you will see the spark, right? So you can see that it's a high voltage, can be very dangerous. So I hope you like this high voltage experiment, but if you try to do this at home, be careful and take proper precautions that never touch these cans or the mosquito racket wires directly, because that high voltage can harm you, right? Now I have some questions for you so that you understand the meaning of different levels of voltage. Tell me, how much voltage is there in that small AA cell that is used in remote controls? Also tell me that how much voltage is there in a normal USB charger which is used for charging mobile phones. And third, tell me how much voltage is used for our home appliances like fan, TV, AC, etc. So tell me about these 3 voltages and give your answers in the comment section below. And don't forget to like our page so that you never miss any fun science video that we will be posting. Thank you. Bye-bye.